Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to uninstall the program that are blocking Valorant from launching. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. If you have installed Avast antivirus, then you just need to right click on it and select uninstall it. Select uninstall. After getting uninstalled and select restart later, and if you have installed MSI Afterburner and Rivet Tuner, then you just need to uninstall it guys. Just right click on it and select uninstall it. After getting completed, select close, and now you just need to uninstall the MSI Afterburner. After getting done, just close stuff here. If you have Citrix installed, then you just need to uninstall it guys. After uninstalling these four programs, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can open the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. In here, you just need to select a browse. You just need to go to C drive, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Games, Binaries, Win64, Valorant Win64 shipping.exe file, and then select add. In my case, I already added that. Just need to scroll down and find Valorant. Just click on the options and select high performance and select save. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and OK. Now you just need to select start the service. After starting the service, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration. Click on open it. Select services tab. In here, check mark hide all Microsoft services and search for VGC service. You just need to check mark this option guys, VGC service, and after that go to startup tab and select open task manager. In here you just need to right click on the vgtray.exe and enable it, and find Riot Client services and enable it. After enabling both of it, you just need to close tab here and select apply and OK. Now exit without restart. Now you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Search for Riot Vanguard. Just right click on it and select uninstall and select yes. Select yes. After getting uninstalled and closed up here, now open up Riot Client. After opening the Riot Client, you just need to select Valorant and select the update option and update it. This will install the Vanguard. After getting update done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can open the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, find the Riot Games folder. Find Riot Client folder, data folder. Just right click on the Riot Games private settings. and check the rename option. Now you just need to add at the end of it, just need to add, just put a dot and type 1, and after that press enter and click on S to save changes, and after that just close stuff here. Now you can open the Valorant and a new settings file will be created and your problem should be fixed, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.